Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to take scrolling screenshot on your XIAOMI 15T. So, taking a scrolling screenshot allows you to capture an entire page of content in a single image. So, first of all, let's go to the screen, or for example, website or any other application that you wish to capture entirely. I will open my settings, for example, and now you want to take a standard screenshot. So you can use your buttons, you can use power button and also volume button. Press them at the same time and you will take your screenshot, or also you can use gestures. So you should take your 3 fingers and swipe them down on your screen like this, and also it will take your screenshot. So immediately after taking a screenshot, in the top right corner of your screen appears a little preview of the photo. So under that photo you should quickly press scroll button, and now your phone automatically starts scrolling down the page and collecting all the content together. And also you can use here some editing tools, so you can crop your image like this. Also you can mark something, you can highlight something, and finally when you're done, when you're ready to save it, you just have to tap this arrow icon in the top right corner of your screen and your screenshot will be in your gallery. So let's open it, and as you can see, this is this screenshot that I have just took. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.